Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an alternator on a Jeep Liberty. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery cable to avoid electrical shock. Next, gather your essential tools, including a 13mm wrench, a ratchet, and a serpentine belt tensioner tool. Always ensure the engine is completely cool before you begin, as hot components can cause burns. This preparation ensures a safe and smooth replacement process. Now, let's remove the old alternator. Begin by using your serpentine belt tool to release the tension on the belt, then carefully slide the belt off the alternator pulley. Next, disconnect the main power wire and the electrical connector from the back of the alternator. Finally, unbolt the 2 or 3 mounting bolts holding the alternator in place, typically 13 or 15 millimeters, and carefully remove the old unit from the engine bay. With the old alternator out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new alternator into its mounting bracket. Insert and hand tighten the 2 or 3 mounting bolts, then fully tighten them to the manufacturer's specifications, usually around 35 foot-pounds. Reconnect the main power wire and the electrical connector, ensuring all connections are secure and tight. This step is crucial for proper function and safety. Finally, let's get everything back together. Carefully route the serpentine belt around all the pulleys, ensuring it's seated correctly in every groove. Use your serpentine belt tool to retension the belt, then double-check its alignment. Reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start your vehicle and observe the dashboard for any warning lights. A fully charged battery and a steady voltage reading, typically around 14 volts, indicate a successful replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.